Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. Happy Valentine's Day. I have the best unboxing for you. I mean, is there anything better to unbox on Valentine's? Not really. I mean, we have to unbox some Cartier on Valentine's. This is a very special gift that I gifted myself from Cartier, and this has been on my list for the longest time. I've always wanted this piece and I finally ticked it off my list. Yay! To celebrate, I also have some Cartier champagne. I'm so excited, I cannot wait to finally reveal my new beautiful Cartier diamond piece. Of course, we are unboxing some diamonds for Valentine's, we're going major. So before that, actually, I do have a shopping vlog. I know how much you guys enjoy watching the shoppy vlogs, so I did film when I went to Cartier to pick this up, and I hope you enjoy this part of the video. I tried on so many beautiful pieces, so much bling bling, so many diamonds, so if you're interested, keep watching, and after that I'm unboxing this. Okay, enjoy the vlog. Hi guys, I'm in Selfridges and I finally found one of my top wishlist items. It's finally available. It's been sold out for the longest time, so I think I'm gonna buy it today. I'll just try it on again and I'll try on a few other pieces. So if you can guess, leave me a comment down below. Let's see how many of you can guess. If you've watched my wishlist videos, you probably already know. But yeah, leave me a comment down below. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm finally buying this. It's been on my wish list for literally a year and it's always sold out, so yay! And this is my bag of the day. Oh my god, look at all these beautiful love pieces with diamonds. Love them, especially the Pave. Here is another beautiful Pave love bracelet in white gold.
Then if anything I can...
Oh my god guys, look at the matching ring and the matching Pave bracelet. Stunning. The bracelet is a bit small though. Okay, so this is my dream stack, as you may know. The love bracelet is a bit small, I need one size up, but is it focusing? Oops, sorry guys. Yeah, the stock after Christmas is really low, so they don't have my size. Okay, this is another piece that I would love to add to my collection. The yellow gold Justin Clue Pave thin ring. This one is small, as you can tell. They don't have my size. Again, I need a size up. Just wanted to show you a quick comparison. The other two Justin Clue rings are the ones I already have. Oh my god guys, this is stunning! White gold, Pave diamond, love necklace. Let me show you some of the watches I'm eyeing. Some of the Panther, the Cartier watches. So guys, this is the largest size, and you can see compared to my Rolex 31mm, it is pretty similar size. This is in rose gold as well. Oh my god, guys, are you drooling right now? I mean, I wanted to take everything. One of each, please. I will forever love Cartier. It is definitely my favorite brand. I love their beautiful creations and I cannot wait to unbox this, show you my new addition, and also I have so much more on my wish list. So yeah, let's unbox this. Oh, by the way, I actually wanted to quickly mention, because I'm sure you have already spotted something new behind me, that the background is different. Can you guys see these beautiful flowers? This was another very special Valentine's surprise, and I did share this on Instagram, so if you follow me on Instagram you might have already seen it. But I wanted to also show you these flowers. I really wanted to film today's video with these flowers because they make me so happy. They still smell divine. I received this beautiful couture bouquet about, I would say, a week ago, and they still look so fresh and beautiful. This is not sponsored, by the way, but this beautiful couture flower arrangement is from Nail Strain. And oh my god, they make the most spectacular, breathtaking flower arrangements. So yeah, I quickly wanted to mention them because I love them so much. They also sell them in Harrods, I believe, but they have a beautiful store, flower store in Belgravia. So if you're interested, check them out. So yeah, let's move on with the Cartier. So as you saw, they actually gave me a champagne, which is so cute. And let me just quickly unbox it and show you. Oh no, it's so nicely wrapped. Do I want to unwrap it right now? Actually, I will insert some close-ups so you can see, because I don't want to unwrap it right now. I'm not going to drink it now, but why not? Maybe I'll actually have it. It's Valentine's, why not? I'll have it later on. Let's unbox this because I'm sure many of you cannot wait to see. So they gave me this beautiful pouch for traveling, velvet with the beautiful Cartier writing on the inside. It is so beautiful and soft inside, so this will definitely be very handy for traveling. Then inside also we have the certificate. I'm not gonna open this, but there is the date I bought it and, you know, the serial number and everything. I'm not gonna share that. And then here is the kit. This is the cleaning kit. It comes inside with a little brush, a spray lotion, and there is also this very soft microfiber Cartier cloth that I use to clean and polish my jewelry pieces. So here it is. Here it is. Let's unbox it. Oh my god. I mean, okay. And ta-da-da-da. Can you guys see? It is quite tiny, so I will definitely insert some close-up footage so you can see it better. But this is the dreamiest ring from Cartier. This is the yellow gold diamond pave love ring. I'm sure I've mentioned this ring in my wishlist videos. This has been on my wishlist for such a long time. You guys know I'm a huge fan of the Justin Clue range. I wanted to build up my Justin Clue ring collection first because I do prefer the Justin Clue line, but I've always wanted this diamond pave ring as well to add next to my diamond Justin Clue ring, and I will try them on and show you how they look stacked together. It is such a beautiful look. I think it was finally the right time to buy this ring and just complete my ring collection. There is really only one other ring from Cartier that I would love to add to my collection, and it is the thin Justin Clue pave diamond pave ring. So this is the next one on my wish list, but I think that one can wait because I already have the thin Justin Clue without the diamonds. So I think I would have to focus on some other jewelry pieces like bracelets and watches, because I absolutely love their bracelets as well. You guys know the Justin Clue bracelet. I would love to add that one to my collection, hopefully for my birthday. But of course you saw that I also tried on the Pave love bracelet. It is a very special, very expensive as well piece, and I would love to have it in my collection. It is very pricey, so I would definitely have to save up a bit to get it. Who knows, maybe for Christmas I'll treat myself. But yeah, I definitely want to have the matching bracelet as well, the thick one, not the thin one. Of course I want the original size, and I think it looks so great together with the Justin Clue bracelet that I also want to add to my collection, and then I'll be in heaven. So this would be my absolute perfect Cartier personal collection to have. I would be so happy if I have all these pieces. Well, I didn't plan to share my wish list in this video. I have already actually filmed a wish list video, but yeah, this is the new Cartier piece. It is so beautiful. I picked up the yellow gold, as I mentioned. This also comes in rose gold and white gold. By the way, white gold is always the most expensive, but you guys know that I'm a huge fan of yellow gold. All my other jewelry is yellow gold, and I feel that yellow gold is so timeless and classic. You can't go wrong with yellow gold, and it really suits my complexion. So this ring, actually I got a size that fits on all my fingers, so I will insert a close-up and show you a few different stack ideas, how I combine with the other pieces that I have. It's such a beautiful ring. It looks absolutely beautiful on its own as well. It will also be a perfect wedding band. I know many people buy this as a wedding ring. I actually love the look of it on any finger, really. You can really play with it. I would probably most often wear it next to my Justin Clue ring, which is my other top favorite ring that I own. It is such a beautiful piece. It has diamonds as well, and they're in the bigger sizes as well, so I think they look great next to each other or stacked on. Even you can stack them on top of each other, and it's such a cool edgy look. To be honest, if I wanted the perfect fit for the middle finger and the index finger, I would have gone a size up. But because I also want to wear it on this finger, my ring finger, I actually need a size down from the one I got to wear on my ring finger. So I decided to get an in-between size just so it fits everywhere and I can play around with it. I always get asked about the fit compared to other rings, so you may know that the Justin Clue line runs a bit big normally, so I would suggest for the love you go 1 or even 2 sizes up. Also, the standard size love ring, which is the new one that I just showed you, compared to the thin love ring that I have, I would say runs a bit small, so I would go a size up. If you have the thin version and want to get the thicker version to wear, let's say on the same finger, I would go a full size up. And the same goes for the Justin Clue line as well. I would go a size down for the thin and size up for the big ones. So just bear that in mind, but again, it is best if you can go and try it on in store. Okay guys, that's all. I really hope you enjoyed today's Valentine's Cartier unboxing. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. As always, if you have any questions or if I've missed anything, let me know in the comments down below and I'll get back to you. Don't forget to check out the description box. I'll make sure I link everything, the ring, the dress, my makeup, everything that I'm wearing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.